If you are a mobile technician and searching for Samsung Galaxy A750F ISP Pinout, then you landed at the right place. In this post, you will find Samsung Galaxy A750F EMMC Pinout for remove user lock and pattern lock bypass FRP lock, and also you can use this ISP Pinout for flashing. Samsung Galaxy A750F Dead Boot Repair EMMC Pinout. In this tutorial show you how to fix and boot repair EMMC and boot for Samsung Galaxy A750F. You can find a Samsung Galaxy A750F test point and EMMC Pinout/ISP for Oppo mobile phone SA. Samsung Galaxy A750F ISP Pinout UFI with an easy JTAG tool. .in normal method you write repair file and work dump and all okay, but phone not power on and not entered to download mode. And after many try I find the solution for this model and I record this tutorial for Samsung Galaxy A750F ISP Pinout all steps to fix and repair this phone, and I share all files used for repair. This post related JTAG team. If you dead boot repair any brand phone you need a 2 dongle best and market one is Easy JTAG Plus, and another is UFI box. Both are best in the market. Those boxes help some phone after flashing wrong firmware not show booting on screen. This you need those boxes for boot repair. Some brands not possible lock remove like a pin, pattern, password, FRP and MDM lock. This really supports for remove locks. What is EMMC? The term EMMC is short for Embedded Multimedia Controller and refers to a package consisting of both flash memory and a flash memory controller integrated on the same silicon die. The EMMC solution consists of at least 3 components: the MMC, multimedia card, interface, the flash memory, and the flash memory controller, and is offered in an industry-standard BGA package. Usage of Samsung Galaxy A750F EMMC ISP Pinout. Read/write EMMC via ISP. Read/write EMMC via Direct Connect. EMMC installed in socket. One-click boot repair via Direct M connection. Read MMC info. Many useful info there such as read/write counter, error counter, etc. Factory EMMC formatting. Low EMMC formatting. Master/slave partition activation. EMMC smart repartition. EMMC partition cloning. Here is the Redmi 7 can be used to overcome some software problems on Redmi 7 phone. To direct it you can use a flasher box that has direct ISP feature support, and usually the flasher box can also be used for repairing EMMC like Easy JTAG, UFI, etc. Samsung Galaxy A750F EMMC ISP Pinout. Okay, just follow this direct EMMC Samsung Galaxy A750F Pinout. Please download. Connections of the points on the chip. The ones of interest to us are DAT0, data transfer bidirectional line. CMD, commands transfer bidirectional line. CLK, clock lane. VCC, EMMC core power, usually 2.85 V. VCCQ, EMMC I/O power, usually 1.8 V. VSS, commonly known as GND. So that later when you want to direct again you are not confused looking for the direct pin. Please boss, just save it on HDD boss so that at any time there are cases that can be used again. Congratulations, try the boss. 1. Please jumper for VCC VEQ CLK CMD D0 GND for GND or ground. Don't forget the jumpers are also bosses. Otherwise, the jumpers don't connect later. Clear user lock. You can try using the ISP method via UFI EMMC toolbox. Use Factory Reset under Special Task in User Partition tab. Or using eTool by MRT, Android EMMC tool.